Members of the public residing in Nongjingi West Jainta Hills under the leadership of the FKJJP Khatar Shnong Nongjingi and NGOs such as JSM, HYC, HNYF and others took out a rally to demand the immediate arrest of Shri Hepsing Dhar, the Doloi of Ilaka Nartiang, who had raped a 30-year-old woman under the pretext of treating her ailment as a quack. The cry of those who participated in the rally also included calls to remove him from his position as the Doloi of Ilaka Nartiang, as the people no longer felt it was safe for them to have him as their Doloi. The leaders of the various NGOs urged upon the politicians, the police department and the JHADC to take appropriate and adequate actions to punish Hepsing Dhar and to ensure that justice is being done for the victim, besides providing her with proper care and counseling that she requires to deal with the trauma.
Ito negosnya ngeliang kesen yang FKJP da organisasi rengkat udah dorbar senong yang senong pelun urut yang senong nongji dekat dari jing emlang yang sen bahalang JSM HYC HNF buat kewitan perlok sen bahalang emlang ini ngeliang yang hajing itu organiga hajing percaya udaloi martiang udah ikam bemannya beman ikam kesen bahalang bui ginong chong nongji percaya jur halor ini bai percaya juri kentui sarkar ucum kia kalor gani plus lengkap dugaan mho plek bil mho yuk bil bro ba kau pa de logiskit kau pa de lo pai yak senchar khadar upum bah pemit apo kechnong kathau dan ne apo ke elaka pemban uni u pa de lo yang ke elaka nartiang le udikam kuba ikam ripkes ta ini geling sem halang emlang roh ini por engkat yang kecnong nongji i persa jori halor gani i ketui ki sarkar hampang i police department u kemar dor yoni hebe ne bah kat kum ki tip yang i hado nes ngi wa uni dolo ki police department mi kem yo ne bah le lada ki police department lada kra istambi me i kem uni ne bah location ngatra mobile yo lada ka pulit le kra istam pulit uchim kya yu tres ke laba location ndo ukem unu doloi
Tanagal yang kamu wek cenong yang ga nonjingi ngarang yang asnya wa hajing itu wa ga an sio ba wa kau ni jai bru wa dalek kami dijai kam sio ba chim khia wom ho smart piu e belio ni mak snya thu bru ga man ga nim tv yu man bru wa em ginong penbure yo khnang wa kibar yang ga dipilidar ni giwan wa yo belu wa kelanya wamni dan itu daw kerpat yaki bar yang ga an wom ho we bel phi kami nu jai bru hesket kau par loy wa to usnai kun tu yaki khon ginat yaki ilaka woro agwi hanrai penban kami jai kam le uri kam dusi ki kam gusnya si tengah ngeleng yonga ite don hiyo wong